Add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup semolina suji, a quarter tsp salt. Mix well. Knead the hard dough. After knead the dough, cover with the wet cloth and rest 30 minutes. Ground flour, half cup. Salt to taste. Cumin seeds, crushed a quarter tsp. A quarter teaspoon red chili powder. Mix and make a smooth paste. Mix well. One potato, cut in small cubes. Cut in cubes, then boiled. Spicy water, mint leaves, coriander fresh. 3 to 4 green chilies. Tamarind water, 6 to 7 tsp. Salt a quarter tsp. Red chili powder a third tsp. Cumin seeds, a quarter tsp and grind. Add more water after grind. Spicy water ready. Fry gram flour and make a bundi. Roll dough and made Golgappay. Dough roll thin. Round shape, cutter and cut the dough. Oil 1 cup, hot. Add Golgappay and slowly press. And one by one, all Golgappay fry. After golden color, put in plate. Eating with sour water made, salt, red chili, lemon salt, spicy water, sweet tamarind sauce. Fill and eat. Enjoy treat. Like, share, subscribe. For watching, thanks. Kung Food Official.